Log in into FXOS via GoAway. This is current version. We want to upgrade version to 2.14. Go to System and Updates. Loading current FXOS and FTD firmware and images. Click Upload Image and browse and upload the FXOS firmware file. The file uploading take time like 5 minutes. When uploaded the file, then you can show the successful notification. Click the upgrade icon, then pop up the Confirm Proceed. You press Yes, then start the process. Monitor the upgrade progress using SSH. Scope System, then show Firmware Monitor for monitoring the update process. You can show the which module are updating. When finish the update, then start the reboot process. It's take 15 minutes. When complete the reboot process, then start the GUI mode and you can log in the username and password. Look, already update the firmware 2.12 to 2.14 version. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below, I'd love to help. See you in the next video.